Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi A2 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to resolve the trouble when screen is not respond. So when the screen is not respond, you need to press on the power button, then press again. And if the screen is not respond after blocking and unlocking device, it means that you need to perform the forced restart of your Xiaomi A2 smartphone. To do it, you need to press and hold power button until you will feel the vibration. So wait a while. After vibration, release the power button. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. I hope this video was helpful for you. And bye. See you.